Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a scarecrow. And here is our treasure chest. Let's complete the drawing to see what's inside. All right, let's get started. I'm going to start at the top of my paper, and we're going to start with our scarecrow's hat. And his hat is going to be like an upside down U shape. And then on his hat, he has a blue band. So this kind of looks like a long rectangle with curved sides. Okay. And then the bottom part of his hat, draw an angled line coming out. And the same on the other side. And then connect those two lines. And on his hat, he has a little patch. Perfect. All right, now let's draw his face. And his face, we're going to start at the bottom of his hat, and it's just a big U. And he has two eyes, which are just little black circles, and a big smile. And on the end of his smile, I'm going to draw two little circles. Perfect. All right, now let's draw his hair, which is really just straw. And to do that, I am just drawing little rectangular shapes and connecting it to his hat and his head. All right. Next, let's start to draw his shirt. And I'm going to draw an angled line down and down. And this part is kind of like his neck where it meets his shirt. And let's start with the right arm. So that's just a straight line out. And I'm going to come down right underneath of it and draw another one. And the great thing about a scarecrow is the lines don't have to be straight because he's stuffed with straw. So actually, if you make the lines a little bumpy, it looks more realistic. Okay, let's do the same thing on the other side. Try to make it the same length. And the line underneath. And the little cuff to his sleeve. Awesome. All right. Now I'm going to come right here where his arm ends. And let's draw his shirt coming down. And same on this side. And connect it. And then his shirt comes out again, so I'm going to come in just a little bit, do an angled line out, and connect those two with a squiggly line. And draw a couple lines here because his shirt's like bunched up. And then on his shirt, he has 3 buttons. So 1, 2, 3. and little X's inside the buttons, so it looks like they're sewn on. And then his shirt has an opening. So we're going to draw a line that connects to that button. And this line goes behind these buttons. Awesome. All right. Next step, let's do his pants. So come to the bottom of his shirt. And we're going to draw a line down. And same on this side. Line down. And now come right to the center of his body. And we're going to angle that line out. Same thing on this side. Almost like an upside down V. And let's connect the bottom of his pants. Then he's got a little pocket on each side. All right, pause the video if you have to, and if not, we're going to keep on going. Next, I'm going to draw the post that he's up on. So go right between our Scarecrow's legs and draw a straight line down. And we're going to come past his pant legs just a little bit. And same thing on this side. Okay. And let's draw the other sticks that are coming out of his arms. So it's just a rectangular shape, like that. A little curve to make it look 3D. Okay, let's do the same thing on this side. That looks great. Okay, and I'm going to draw the hill that he is propped up on. There we go. Okay, next let's draw the straw or the hay that's coming out of his arms. So go right here, and we are going to draw just more rectangular shapes. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's straw. All right, now let's draw some on his legs. And I make the rectangles all different lengths, all different widths. And then he had some straw kind of coming out of his hat. And some coming out of the bottom of his hat. And his shirt. And let's draw a little bit coming out of his pants. That looks super cute. And then finally on his outfit, he's got some patches. So I'm going to come up here to his arm and draw a little square. And then almost like a little tic-tac-toe symbol in that square. And then to hold those patches on, if you draw little lines like this, it looks like thread or stitching that's holding his patches on. And then he's got one on the right arm. And they don't have to be a perfect square or rectangle. You could see mine is not. And this one I'm going to draw some dots on it. You can draw whatever you want on your patches. Let's put another one on his shirt. And one on his pants. And let's do one more down here. All right, that looks great. Now let's color. Our scarecrow looks amazing. Now pause the video if you have to, because it's time to open our treasure chest. Oh look, it's Pumpkin Pikachu. Join me next time and we'll draw him too. Have a great day.